coin miners, you must hearken to this. If thou art been mining W coin, then this is actually your video. To those of you who haven't, this could be opportunity to begin to mine W coin. And you need to know what to focus on and what to be doing. So now this is a message that came from one of the officials, and they dropped this message in the Telegram group. They're saying we are excited to introduce artificial intelligence, AI, a new mechanic in W coin that brings passive income and new opportunities. New currency, WAI and WAI, just by using the WAI bot and enhance your in-game performance. Passive income. Now it's like now you can earn profits even when you're not playing. Perfect for both old players and newcomers to W coin. Now this is actually caters to what I just said. To those of you who haven't been mining W coin, this is an opportunity for you to begin and profit something. So they're saying climb the leagues. So it's very important to join leagues. Most of the people do shun joining leagues. I've seen this when we were doing time coin, when we were mining time coin. By the end of the mining season, when they were distributing the tokens, those who had joined the leagues, those who had actually joined they call them the clubs, the clans, those who had joined the clans were given double. They were given double tokens. And then the clan leaders were given more. You understand what I'm saying? So it's pretty important for you to actually join the clans, and then you compete in the leagues. Then they're saying upgrade your bot, boost WAI earnings, climb the leaderboard and compete for turn real money. Invite experts. Boost your AI by inviting experts. More experts mean faster and more efficient trading. Now, in this video, we'll actually be looking at how you can actually upgrade the WAI. So what you do is you open WCoin bot. Come on. Okay, so once you're in, do the usual. Claim whatever the bot has collected for you. And you tap. You tap. Then you can also collect the coins that you earn by virtue of inviting some people to this bot. So you click Mets. And I'm going to claim all that. That's 26,000. 26,000. I've claimed that. Then I can also click boost. Okay, so when you have something there where it indicates lucky dice, you simply tap there and it actually increases the number of coins that you earn per tap. So you can also stake the coins that you have collected so far. Those are the points on top there. Can hit stake. So I had staked some of the coins, and it's high time that I claimed these tokens. So I'm doing all these for the sake of those who are very new, who don't know what we do on this bot. So you can click tasks, you claim what has to be claimed. So now what is it that they're talking of that you have to focus on? That which would determine what you're going to walk away with on that particular day when there'll be distribution of the tokens. Then you have to click WAI, and you have to make sure that you improve everything that is in here. Make sure that you level up all that you see. This one is level 0, that one level 0, that is level 0, that is level 1. I deliberately left this for the sake of this video so that I show you what to do. So I had actually leveled up this one. Hence, when I was away, some tokens were actually piling up, which is WAI tokens. So I can claim this. You've seen that. Now, after claiming that, I can now level up this. Start with the first one. I need to upgrade that one. Upgraded. I can also upgrade it again. So maybe it has gone to level 2. Let's level up the others. That. Does need to be leveled up to 0.05. Let's upgrade that. 0.1, 0.17, 0.26. Okay, beautiful. Let's try to level up the others. Okay, so that one has gone to level 2. Level up this. 1. Okay. We are upgrading these. Let's level up everything here. We'll wait until time ticks down. I'm saying we need to log back in after 7 hours. That's, yeah, 7 hours, 59 minutes. So I've leveled up that to level 4. Here, let's check. Let's upgrade this. Coolest. It has been leveled up to level 2. Let's level up the other item here. Oh, and level up this one. And you simply do this as simple as this. Now this will increase the passive income. So it has gone to level 2, level 2. This one will be leveled up later on. So you have to make sure that you make use of this big time. Then you can also, you see where it says experts, you have to invite people here. These could be people that belong to your Telegram channel, or those people you'd want to invite to the bot. Click leagues, and then they're saying invite mates and get bonuses for each invite person. Click the link and then invite them over. As simple as this. You go ahead and make sure that you make use of this. Then they were saying you have to upgrade the bot. Make sure that you click booster and then you upgrade all these. They have actually been maxed out. Okay, I've leveled them up and they have hit the maximum levels. Maximizer, the charger, the worker, all these have been upgraded. So you do the same, you do the same. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.